Hello, and welcome to another Mindfish Prep SAT video explanation for the official SAT Study Guide. My name is Jordan, and in this video I'll be explaining Problem 17 from Section 5, Test 3 of this book. The problem shows you this diagram, saying that a pattern is formed on this strip of paper by cutting out equilateral triangles of side length 1 inch at regular intervals along the paper. And the question asks, what is the total length in inches of the bold notched edge of the 80-inch paper strip? So, whenever you have a problem that contains some sort of repeating pattern or repeating unit like this, it's always best to work with the problem in terms of just one of these units and then extrapolate it to however many units you have in total. So the repeating unit in this problem, well, you can break it just about anywhere you like along the line, but I'm going to choose to break it right here and say that that's the repeating unit. 3 inches of straight line followed by the 1-inch notch. So if we're wondering how long is the bold black line along the entire strip, we'll start by deciding how long is the bold black line for just this one unit. So there are 3 inches of straight line, and then in order to find how long this is, all you need to do is recognize that it's an equilateral triangle. Because it's an equilateral triangle, and this length is 1 inch, then by necessity, this length must be 1, and this one must be 1 as well. Add in your 3, and that means that the total length of the bold line for just one unit is 5 inches. It'll be 5 inches for this unit, and so on. So now what you need to do is decide how many units do you have. Well, if the entire strip is 80 inches long, how long is just one of these units? Well, it's 3 across, and then just 1 more inch for that equilateral triangle portion. So even though the notched line is 5 inches, its actual length is only 4. So each one of these units is 4 inches wide. If we have an 80-inch long strip divided by 4 inches for a single unit, that means there must be 20 units in total. And if each unit contains 5 inches of bold line, then the total length of the bold line must be 20 units times 5 inches per unit, 100 inches. And that's how you do it. Thanks, and please continue to check out more Mindfish videos.